Toenail fungus is one of the most common conditions I see here in the office. Now, it's a very, very frustrating condition for patients because it takes time to get rid of it. And that's what I always start with my patients, is to tell them, look, what their expectation is with this kind of condition and what to look out for. Toenail fungus is very common because you can get it, unfortunately, in very common places that we all go to. For example, pools, hotel rooms, nail salons. You gotta be very diligent when you're out in these places to make sure that you protect your feet so then you avoid getting toenail fungus. But let's say you get toenail fungus and you need treatment. And this is another condition I tell patients, you've gotta get treatment right away. The toenail fungus is basically, the nail gets really thick, discolored, brittle sometimes, and even sometimes painful. The way we treat it are different ways. So you can do topical, you can do oral, you can even do now laser as well. It usually takes about 6 months to a year to completely resolve. So you have to be very patient and diligent with treatment. So the key thing is to pick something that you know you're gonna stick with. Because if you're gonna say, I'm gonna do topical and you're gonna do it here and there, you're just wasting your time. It's not gonna work. So topical, you can do prescription topical that you apply directly over the toenail. Again, you're gonna be putting this topical on your toenail every day for at least 6 months to a year. So you gotta remember that this is something you have to do on a daily basis. If you know you're not gonna be able to remember that, then do something else that you will. For example, oral medication. Oral medication is a pill you take for 3 months. And now, even though the treatment is for 3 months, that doesn't mean that it's gonna be gone in 3 months. You have to let the nail grow out. And that's the thing, the existing nail is not going to change. So most patients are looking at their toenails constantly like, it's not changing. It will not change. It's the new nail growth that's gonna grow out that's gonna actually be nice and clear. And then the third option is the laser treatment. Now, there's been different types of laser throughout the years. The newest technology is Nunula, which has about 89% success rate, which is very high compared to other lasers and the other forms of treatment too. With the laser, it's a very non-invasive, quick treatment. It takes about 12 minutes to do, and you also have to let the toenail grow. Again, laser sounds fast, but it still will take that time to grow. You gotta let the nail grow. So make sure that whatever you decide to do with your toenails, that you are consistent and very diligent with the treatment. If you're experiencing any discomfort or pain in your foot and ankle, feel free to call us. Even if it's just a question, we're here for you.